famous, legendary DJ Just right to my left. Absolutely. And I kind of want to like have some fun real quick. I want to jump back into this little time machine and go back to '02 if y'all don't mind. I remember my first number one hit off that Big Mama South soundtrack. Y'all remember this? We gonna turn up in the office right now. You know what I mean? We might shine a couple windows, jump on some Destiny. You know what I'm saying? Talk to him, Jeff. Left to right, right to left. It is. This show's so deaf. We ain't training us, right? I got my brother Bob. Let's break it down one time. 3, yeah, 2, yeah, 1. Whistle. Round here we pop them collars. Round here we get them dollars. Every girl I see that look right, nigga like me. Just gotta holler. This kid ain't all about sector. Talk me here, but we get after. Long as we ready to get it back. Get it dropping the cups up after. I'm up to the S-O, S-O, D-E-F-M-O-B. That's me, J-D, Black J. So please believe what I do. Ain't looking good. Ohio, swear I'm from.
What? He what? Okay, tell them to get him out.